Pakistan is on the brink of a major hunger crisis. Recent monsoon have producing nearly half of Pakistan's staple crops including rice, maize, sugarcane and cotton. The destruction has wiped out entire harvests and could disrupt at least 2 future crop cycles, leading to severe shortages and soaring food prices. The floods, which began in June, have affected over 4.5 million people and submerged nearly 1.8 million acres of farmland, up to 70% of Punjab. Thousands of farmers have lost everything, their crops, livestock, and homes. For many, agriculture was their only source of income. According to the UN's 2025 Global Report on Food Crisis, over 11 million people in Pakistan are already facing acute food insecurity, with children suffering the most. Malnutrition has affected more than 2 million children under the age of 5, especially in Sindh, Balochistan, and Khyber Pakhtunkhwa. Climate shocks, damaged water systems, and limited health care access continue to worsen the crisis, leaving millions without food, clean water, or medical care. As Pakistan struggles to recover, experts warn that without urgent support, the floods of today could turn into the famine of tomorrow.